Hi everyone, my name is Samantha and welcome back. I know it's been a while. It's been about 4 months since I've uploaded a new video. I mainly do YouTube for fun, and I also do it because I love watching YouTube creators. They inspire me to do more with my life, and since I love gardening, I figured maybe if I made a YouTube channel, I could also inspire one person out there in this world to start gardening as well. Anyways, let's get into today's video. Today we are going to be talking about the Florida swamp lily, or if you were to search up swamp lily on Google, the very first picture that would come up is the one that we're going to be talking about today. But swamp lilies range in different types, meaning that they range in different types of sizes and shapes and what blooms they put off. Also, there are some that are just root out like a normal plant that you would see. There are some that come in a bulb form. Now, all of the swamp lilies take more of a bush form. Most of these forms, specifically the bush I'm referring to today, grow in a zone 8 through 11, so the hottest zones out there. These bushes can tolerate full sun to partial sun. The only difference in putting it in more shaded areas is they will not put off blooms as much or as often. For me, mine is an all-day sun. It gets sun from the time the sun comes up till the time the sun sets.
Blooms are white 6-petaled flowers, having a faint smell that reminds me personally of jasmine.
Being a native plant to the south, it's able to adapt to different types of soil. So my mom has the same exact variation of the swamp lily in her yard, and she has very dry, fast-draining soil, unlike me. Depending on what kind of rainstorm we have, my soil tends to pool on the top, and then it takes a while for the water to sink down past the surface and for the moisture to be absorbed by the plants. My mother's plant thrives just as well in dry soil as it does in wet soil. And it being a swamp lily, it's kind of perfect for my type of soil. Growing size varies between where you plant and how you're willing to take care of it. So mine, we've had it for 4 years. We've had it just as long as we've lived in this house for, and it's as tall as me. The tallest point is as tall as me. I'm about 5'5", so I'm gonna show you a size by size comparison to give you an idea of how large they can get. Super low maintenance. There's no fertilizing, even though they can stress fertilize each of your plants in its own unique way just to give it that extra oomph to succeed and bloom and do well. There's no deadheading of the blooms. Personally, what I do is when leaves start to yellow or start to brown and just look ugly, I will go and I will just cut them off. Bloom that is spent, I'll just go and cut that stalk off as close as I can get to the base. My ultimate plan is to line our driveway with them. It'll give us some beautiful structure, some beautiful blooms, and it can give you some privacy as well. I also wanted to attempt to show you how you're able to get more and more plants off just one of them. Sometimes it's a struggle. I hope I'm able to show you how you can basically get free plants out of this one plant. My mom actually gifted me this swamp lily when we moved into this house, as I mentioned before, about 4 years ago, and I'm almost certain she saw it in a ditch near her house and she just went and got a shovel and dug it up and then brought it over to me. But I've noticed more at Lowe's and Home Depot and like mom and pop nurseries that they're starting to sell them. So if you can't find one on the side of the road, I think they should be coming to you soon somewhere in the south if they have not already.
I was successful getting 3 babies this year that had roots, as you can see from this yellow container. I'm going to insert some footage of me planting those because I was unsuccessful at showing you how to propagate more from the mother plant. A year from now, this little one will fill in this space and one day look just as stunning as the oldest one.
The nice thing about living in Florida is it rains all the time, so I just planted that plant and I don't even have to water it myself. Mother Nature will water it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you were able to take something away from this video. I will definitely try and post more on YouTube, but in the meantime, I'm normally more active on my social media accounts, so you can come follow me over there. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Bye. It's pretty impressive.